Ooh.
Yeah, no bullshit. That is what it sounds like.
It's so poppy. I want to go.
Forcing that shit out. What? I was thinking about bringing my dog, but she sheds too much.
Hey, don't be hating. Crazy mother. That man went from perfect to an even tire. What the fuck that dude though?
Line it up.
I'm not fucking with this shit.
Just walk away.
Nice.
Hey, Charlie,
Got another Mustang. Clear. Mustang alert. Clear.
What the fuck?
I know, yeah. He must know how to drive it.
Tired, bro. And
Gang. Oh, that's the homie.
too soon, Junior. Oh yeah! BQ Orchestra! Hey, you know what's up? Hey, BQ 17.
My battery fucking died.
Warm it up. Alright, you gonna come on and do something, man? It'll be like the first 2 times. Null and void now. No more warranty on that jump.
It's a cold start, man.
Hey,
Don't do that shit right here.
I know, bro.
Don't do that shit where we at, dog. Move that joint up a little bit.
Honda, gang, 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 gang. Yeah. Oh yeah, I told you, they messed up the road. Gang, gang.
I'm ready.
He just stole. What the fuck?
Watch your feet,
Honda, gang, 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 gang. What the fuck is that? Some bright ass lights.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.